welcome back to Pretend with Priya. So I placed the order in the IKEA app. I received the product in around 3 to 4 days. So first I'll start with the smaller items. I ordered 2 side tables. These are the simplest side tables available from IKEA. This is all metal and these are the most inexpensive side tables available in IKEA. So I ordered these because we stay in a rented apartment and I think this is the best solution for it because you won't regret, moving along with these, or you can even, sell them or just leave them because these are really not that costly. I think it was around 900 rupees for these. So very inexpensive, and I hope that it's sturdy enough to, keep some items. So let's unbox and assemble these first. So you'll always get a user manual with any of the orders. So these user manuals have instructions on how to assemble the product, and it's a step-by-step guide, very clearly mentioned what is to be placed where. So I'll start with this. So this bedside table has 2 layers. So these 2 layers are there. I think both are of the same size and structure. They have provided us 4 legs along with them. So I think it shouldn't be very difficult to assemble. These are the screws. It's generally easier to assemble IKEA products when you have 2 people, but these are small items, so you won't need any help. Now we have to insert the second layer. Just feel sturdy. So this is one item. I ordered 2 of these. So this is West Kent. So this is basically stackable, not stackable, layered trolley. So this is, one is for bathroom and one is for, I ordered 2, one in black and one in white. एक मैं बाथरूम में रखूंगी और एक मैं बाहर रखूंगी जिसमें मैं पॉट्स रखने का प्लान कर रही हूँ. So I'll assemble this as well, and I've ordered this. Now this is a part of another assembly, but मैंने सिर्फ एक ही tray मंगाया है. I wanted to keep newspapers somewhere. I've been ordering newspapers nowadays, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा भरता जा रहा है. So this is something I ordered for the newspapers, and I'm planning to, somehow insert this like this. So we have the attachment for the wheel and the stand. So there are 3 layers. So let's start. So first I'll have to attach the wheels. So the one which I assumed will be easier to assemble is a bit difficult to assemble. So I'll take the help from YouTube. So you'll get the assembly instructions on YouTube as well. I think this is how they make it. I don't hear any clicks. It does look sturdy. Let's hope that worked. I'm not hearing any clicks, though it's mentioned on the user manual that there will be clicks. Once you get the hang of it, you kind of realize how to put it inside. Just slant it a bit and then insert it. So these tiny ones have to cover up the tops. So these are done. Let's see what we have next. So I ordered these mittens. So I have many iron pots and it gets very hot. So it's going to be easier to handle using this. There are a few more stuff that I've ordered. Oh, so I've ordered 3 of these. And I've ordered a few desk organizers. So I'll insert these in the drawer and see if it works out the way I thought it would. So the last thing I've ordered is a mirror. It's huge. It's not huge, but it's big, it's heavy. So I might need help in order to assemble this, but I'll try it first myself. But if I can't assemble it alone, in that case I'll need help. So let's start. These are the rods that are provided on which the mirror will stand. So I'll first assemble the rods and then I'll somehow manage to put the mirror on top of it. So let's start. I think it shouldn't be that difficult. I'll just first check the mirror that it's intact or not. So it doesn't seem to have any cracks as such. मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक स्क्रूड्राइवर कुछ साल पहले अराउंड 1 साल पहले ऑर्डर किया था तो फाइनली इट्स टाइम टू यूज इट.
So I've kept this white rack in my living room. I'm using it to keep small pots and a few little items. Next is this side table that's right beside my sofa. And finally, the mirror. So that wraps up my IKEA haul. Simple additions that made my home so much more functional and aesthetic.